Hello friend, this is automatic rotary lotion filling and camping machine. After you get this machine, you need to connect with your factory power from here, this plug, and connect with your air source from here, and then turn on this switch. Now it's turned on, and turn off is like that. Okay. And here is bottle collector. You also need to connect with your factory power and also turn on this switch. Now it's turn on, turn off is like that. Okay. And here have a speed inventor. You can change the speed of the table. No need to change in very faster speed, just slow speed is okay. Okay, now I will show you how to operate this function. Here is the home page. You can choose the language you need from here, English or Chinese. We will add another language from beside here or here. Okay, now I choose English for your reference. Here have a 2 bottle we will test. That's one and that's one. And for now, all parameter is set already about this bottle. I will show you the operation. And the screw camping parameter is also set already. Okay. Now I will show you the working station. Like here, turn on the green button. This means automatic, and this red button means stop, and this yellow button is reset, and this is emergency button. Oh my god. Okay, now turn on this green button. This part for the bottle cleaning and the filling. This part is for pressing. If your bottle have plug, this conveyor, you need to turn on the conveyor model, and the bottle will conveyor from this part. Okay, for now I will test this bottle and to teach you how to adjust all these parts to adopt this bottle. Firstly, we need to adjust this mold to adopt this bottle from here. Okay, from this position, you can adjust the mold type.
让它稍微夹住不放就行。这样就可以。
Okay, for now the bottle is stable, and another one is adjust like that. For now, all the mold we adjust is already, and the next one we need to let this bottle go into the bottle clean part. Then we use this reset button yellow button. Point this button. Okay, you can check. Now the bottle is under the bottle cleansing part. And point this commonly used menu and point this air washing cylinder up and down button. So how to make sure this position is correct? You need to check here, this part. This part, you need to make sure you keep the same level with this steam steel part, and adjust the height from here.
来往下调。
对，往下调。
对，到这里。
对，水平。
这里亮了。
再调一下，另外一个没亮。Okay, for now the height is correct. You can check here. The red light is turned on. That means this height is correct. Okay, and let the cylinder up and let the bottle go into the filling part. Point this reset button. 对。For now, it's under the filling part. Now, point this user parameter. You can set the parameter from here. For this part, you need to pay attention. There have some parameter you need to change. Like, for example, the filling speed. The first one and the second one is for is control for the tube of this filling nozzle, and the 600 is the normal speed. You no need to change. And here is the filling head down speed and the filling head up speed. Also no need to change. Just be in 1500 500. And here is the filling head initiate position. That means after filling finished, there have a gap between the bottle and the filling nozzle, 1000 millimeter. And also you can check the number from here. For this point, you need to make sure there have the small gap to let the bottle go into the next step easy. And here is cylinder inlet speed of 2 filling nozzle. You no need to change. About the filling head filling position, that means the filling nozzle go into the bottle distance. You can adjust from here. There have a 3 button. This button is filling up back original position, and here is the filling head down and filling head up. For here, filling head current position is 190 millimeter. That means for now the distance of the bottle and the filling nozzle is 1090 millimeter. And to make sure the filling accuracy, you need to make sure the filling head go inside the bottle. That's the filling position in the bottle. You can adjust like here. Now the filling nozzle is down. And now you can check the filling nozzle if in the bottle from here. Okay, you also need to adjust again. That means 67 millimeter is not suitable for this bottle. Okay, 58. You check again. Okay, need to adjust again to let the filling nozzle go in the bottle. Okay, for now, this position is correct. And then you need to change this parameter into 53 millimeter to memory this position. For this position, you can check the filling nozzle is in the bottle, but you also can let the filling nozzle in deep. Like change the parameter again into 51. Okay, now change this part. Now all the position is correct for this bottle, and then let the filling nozzle up to the original position. And then let the bottle go into the next step. Point this yellow button. For this working station, if your bottle have a plug, you can, this position you need one worker to put the plug on the bottle, and then let the bottle go into the pressing part, like that. Also point this reset button, and then point this commonly used menu, and here have a cap pressing cylinder up and down button. You can check for now the position is wrong. You need to adjust the height from here.
没有吗？
啊，对，没有，但是要演示一下。Here the gap between the bottle and the pressing head, you just need to leave a very small gap. 再下，再下，再下，再下。Okay, it's very closed, and then it's okay. Now let the bottle go into the cap or pump placing working station from here. 王彪哥，你帮我去复位一下。Also point the reset button. One point you need to pay attention. Before point the reset button, you need to let the placing head up, and then point the reset button. Yes, it's like that. And for this position, you can put the pump or cap from here. To make sure the cap efficiency is better, you can twist it slides like that when you put the pump in the bottle. Okay, now let the bottle go into the capping part. 再按一次. For here, you need to adjust the parameter from here. Screw capping parameter. You can check. Here is the capping time. That means the screw time. This time you need to make sure you need to under the 0.8 seconds. And usually we can set the 0.6 seconds. That's okay. And here is the capping initiate position and the current position. That mean here. That's this distance. And the filling speed you can set from here. The maximum is 3,000. Usually we set like 1,200. And the capping speed, you no need to change. And this capping torque, that means the number is more bigger and the cap is more tighter. And here is the capping press delayed. That means this part is pressing. And for the capping working position, that means here the mechanical hand catch the bottom neck too, easy to screw the cap. And for this position, and for this parameter, it's for this round bottle, and you can check if it is suitable for the flat bottle also. You can point this cap down button to check, to let the mechanical hand down. And now the current position is 91 millimeter. You can check if it is suitable. Then you can point this commonly used menu and point this cap flow off 1 and 2 to check. And you can check for this position is higher than the bottleneck. You can adjust again. Turn off this function and point this capping parameter setting. Let it down again. Okay, now it's 84 millimeter. Point this commonly used menu to check. Okay, for now it's suitable. That's how to adjust this position. And here is the capping pressing 1 or 2. Can check. That's mean here. That's position down. Okay. And also here is have a clamping of bottle clamping. 1 or 2, you can check this. That's mean here, this position. And if you check, if you found the position is very tight, you can adjust from here, this screw, to change the air pressure. Okay. Now turn off this function. And the other thing, we should keep the position to memory. We test. Now point this group camping parameter setting, and here working position we need to set like 84 parameter into memory. Okay, that's it. That position is suitable for flat bottle. And here is the button for cap claw rotary control. You can check. Okay. So the parameter is adjust, and then let the mechanical hand up to the original position to let the bottle go into the next stage. Okay, so point this yellow button. For this final part is collect. Okay, for this part you need to point this commonly used menu, and then point this bell model of point this button discharge to bell. Now you can check the machine is come to here, and then point this bottle discharge station up and down. Now for this position, you can adjust this height from here to make sure when the machine is catch this bottle, the bottle is correct. 摇矮一点，不是摇高。Okay. For now, the position is okay. And then point this bottle discharge claw off or on button. 你帮我按吧。Okay, for now is catch this bottle, and then point this bottle up. And then point this bottle discharge on the station. Okay, and the final you need to point this turnable model off. Yes, to make sure the position, and then point this bottle 让到瓶子下去，这个。Okay, now you can let the machine up. 这个。Okay, like that. And then let the discharge up. For now it's finished, and then you can turn off this button and turn on this bell model to let the conveyor on the working stage. Okay, for now I will show you the automatic working stage. The parameter is already set for this button, for this bottle, and for now point this automatic button to text the parameter. Some points I want to let you know. For this part is for counting function. It can counting the daily output of your products, and here is the maximum filling range. That means this filling cylinder, the maximum is 500 ml. And here you can check you can change the filling range according to your bottle. For example, if this bottle is 3 ml, you can change from here 3 ml, and here this one also need to change into 3 ml. And if you change another bottle, you can change the filling range from here. And another point, if you need to change the material here, you can connect a material pipe in this hole. And here is the sensor to test the material level. And here is filling empty of 1 and 2. That means if you change the material, you need to turn on this 2 of this bottle to let the air to come out. Because if you change the material, this part is empty and full of the air, so you need to use this button to let the air come out. Okay, that's it.